Hello, welcome back to After Photographer. 9 photographer, 9 freelancers, still looking for a job, just doing this for hobbies. And in the last episode, we had talked about this Sigma 24 to 105 f4 with the MC11, and we did a very quick test. And yesterday, I just got this very classic 17 to 70 2.82 f4, which is a Sigma R lenses, which is also on the supported list of the MC11. So both of the lenses are not going to have problem with picture autofocus, because most of the manufacturer can do really good at picture autofocus, of course including the MC11. So the points to have the Sigma R lenses is that you can unlock the feature of the video autofocus on your Sony camera. So my question is how the autofocus lens noise is going to perform. I'll let you guys to be the judge. Let's find out. Okay, so right now we are at the 17 to 70 f2.8 to f4 lenses with the directional mic on my camera, and here is the AF test. I'm going to shut up and let you guys hear the noise. I'm going to pick an object. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so we are at this 24 to 105 f4 lenses with the directional mic on the camera, and that's going to see how the noise is going to perform. Okay, it seems like it is a lot quieter than the 17 to 70. Okay, let's keep tracking. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. So that's today's quiz test of the video autofocus noise. Which lenses is noisier? What do you think? Leave your comments down below, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe. If you have any question or anything you want to discuss, please leave your comment down below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.